Hello everyone. Welcome to the channel. Now in this video, I will show you and tell you how to create easily your own stickers from your photos in WhatsApp. Please subscribe to the channel. Like it. Watch the video till the end. Let's get started. In order to do this, you're going to need to do these things. First of all, we go to the gallery, choose a photo. Next, we click on it. And we have to copy it. That is, this is the object. Click Copy. After that, exit. Go to WhatsApp. Open the chat room. And now where we write the message, we have to insert our photo. Look, it's inserted. It says Custom Sticker. Click Send. It sends. Now that it's sent, we can save it to our stickers. So we pinch it and press star. Now we click here, select Send Stickers. Select, and as you can see, I have them in my library. There's a sticker in my library that I've made of cars. And then there's a sticker that I just made. And that's how easy it is to do it and send it. If you liked this video, you can put a like, subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all again. Goodbye.